In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client dashboard in ClickUp. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and that you have access to the workspace and space where you manage your client work. We'll be starting from a calendar view and then turning that into a clear, easy-to-share dashboard for your clients. First, head over to your calendar view inside the relevant space in your workspace. This is usually where you're already tracking tasks, deadlines, and milestones for your client. Starting from the right space is important because your dashboard will pull its data from here. At the top of the screen, look for the Dashboards or Hubs option in the navigation bar. Click on the highlighted Dashboards area to open the Dashboards hub. From here, ClickUp offers different templates to get you started. Choose the Simple Dashboard option. This template is a great starting point because it gives you a clean layout without overwhelming your client with too much information. Once the template loads, you'll be asked to select a location. Click on the Select Location field, then choose the folder, list, or space where your client's tasks actually live. This ensures that everything your client sees on the dashboard is directly related to their projects and not mixed with internal work or other clients. After choosing the location, go ahead and click Create Dashboard. ClickUp will generate the basic dashboard structure for you. You'll now see a few default widgets. One of these will show tasks or activity. Click on the widget labeled with a number, such as 6, to adjust what it's displaying. Open the filter and view options by clicking the highlighted areas around the widget controls. Here you can refine what appears. For example, you might limit it to open tasks or tasks assigned to your client's project. If you see no results, that usually means your filters are too narrow or the location is wrong. So click on that text and adjust your filters until the relevant tasks appear. Next, change how your tasks are grouped. Click on the Grouping by Due Date option. For a client dashboard, grouping by due date, status, or assignee can make it much easier for them to scan what matters. You can also switch the sort or display mode to something like Latest Activity so clients can quickly see what's been worked on most recently. Use the remaining highlighted controls to tweak the layout, resize widgets, or add any missing ones, like a chart or a list, so the dashboard tells a clear story of progress. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, open the sharing or visibility settings and click on Make Private. From there, you can control exactly who has access, ensuring that only the right people can view this client dashboard.